Mommy, I miss you.
Ooh, Amazon guy just plays it off. Ooh. Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be reacting to a channel called Doorbell News. These guys post like compilation of like Ring doorbell camera stuff. Alright, the video we're going to be reacting to today is called Meanwhile in Los Angeles. Caught on Ring doorbell. Let's check it out.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Why did you touch my car? Why you touch my car?
Probably should leave him alone.
Yeah, you should probably leave him alone. Crazy.
San Clemente, California.
Oh,
Better keep your dogs in a kennel.
That looks really pretty. I'm afraid there might be a mountain lion coming. Oh, it's a coyote. Oh no. Oh, it said the dog's okay, thank goodness. Man, that is a beautiful sight though.
San Diego, California.
Dang.
Looks like he's running from the popo.
Why don't you go over?
Donuts. Looks like he couldn't get over the fence. Inglewood, California. Check this guy out. What's he so happy about?
The man was wiggling on the doorknob trying to come in and whispered at the door as well. He tried my neighbors in front of me.
I don't know what this guy wants, but he definitely needs to get lost. This happens when you have cats.
Oh my gosh. Cat knows he's in trouble. Done it now. I was waiting for it to fall further. Why are we still here? Oh.
Oh my God, you guys, you fucked me so hard.
He already knows it's the cat.
Oh, you fucked me so hard.
Easy, bro. They already knew it was the cat. At least it didn't knock the TV
Columbus,
down again.
Ohio. So this lady found this toddler wandering around. Now she's trying to find her parents.
Say, Mommy, I miss you. Say, Mommy, I miss you. Say, Mommy, I miss you. Come home, Mommy. Don't abandon me another night.
Woman knocking on every door looking for toddler's mom.
New York. Caught
That is crazy.
red-handed.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Anything else that you have in that bag?
No, that's it.
What are you doing? Should I call the cops on you?
I would have made him give up that bag 100%.
Unbelievable. And you're on camera, by the way. Asshole.
Better slow down.
Ooh.
Luckily that box was there.
I love the voiceover over these. It's awesome. Amazon guy just plays it off.
St. Louis, Missouri.
I'm gonna be honest. I delivered pizzas for a while, and that just happens. You just can't win everyone.
Better slow down, because this guy's driving on the wrong side of the road.
Golly. Ooh.
Yeah. Some people just don't need to be on the road.
Yeah.
It's almost 4 in the morning.
Oh my goodness gracious. Who knows if he was sleeping? I think he's drunk. That looked like a nice car, but I didn't really pay attention to what it
Phoenix,
was.
Arizona. Check this guy out. He breaks into somebody's backyard and takes some tools.
Man, that's scary.
Better keep that gate locked.
What in the hell is on my porch?
It's the famous Rose.
What?
Looks like she has a reindeer suit on.
Package stolen on Yam Hill. The person has been on and off my porch all day. They stole a package.
Los Angeles, California. Looks like we got a Bonnie and Clyde burglary duo here.
I'm sorry, I just don't want to get shot.
Okay.
My home was broken into during the day while I was at home. Police report was taken. If anyone recognizes the suspects, please notify LAPD. Yeah, that's scary. Also, clean up everything that they didn't take. I'm a messy person, but good Lord, what is all this?
Hello?
I can't hear what she's saying.
Can I help you?
Hey, I need some help with something. Do you think I could talk to you?
You got the wrong number, or the wrong place.
Sorry.
Yeah. Get lost!
I need some help with something. Do you think I can talk to you? You're talking to me. Go ahead. Shoot your shot.
Portland, Oregon. Check this guy out. He definitely doesn't look like Santa Claus.
Hi guys, I'm like totally friendly. Is there a lighter here, bro?
Meanwhile, in Phoenix,
There's all the tools he got.
Sophie, you're gonna poop. Go poop. Oh my God.
What happened? Oh, she fell down.
Oh my God.
meanwhile in Inglewood.
It's that same guy.
When you let me inside the door, I'm gonna fuck you. I'll go downstairs.
This guy's definitely at the wrong house. He definitely needs to get lost.
Get lost. Oh. Yep, man down. Hopefully I
So
wasn't
these
blocking
guys have
that.
some kind of remote hacking device, and they make off with this Range Rover real easily.
Oh my God, I've seen this. So basically what it is, what's going on here, your key fob sends a signal to unlock your car. And basically it just sends like basically a frequency wave to your vehicle. So what they do is they've got antennas and they stand at your door. They'll walk along the edges of your house, and all it has to do, because your key fob is constantly sending out that signal, all they got to do is hold up an antenna and it will transmit your key fob all the way to your car, and then it will say like basically that the key fob's in the car, so you can just press the push button and start it. So they're using an antenna to basically make your key fob act like it's inside the car, and then they're able to just steal the car. It's crazy. No alarms or anything because it thinks that the key fob's in there. They're not even going to steal the car. They're just going to steal what's in the car. Oh, no. He going to take the whole car. I forgot that. I seen this plate down here. I don't know if I'm blocking it. But there's a foreign plate down here. So these people drive on the wrong side of the road. So. Just like that, your car's gone. I don't know what kind of car it was, but it looked expensive.
This coyote's just strolling around in broad daylight, so you better make sure your pets are inside. And inside that kennel if you leave them outside.
Healthy looking dog, too.
The coyote looks hungry.
Nah, he looks pretty healthy to me. He's been eating. He's already got 3 cats.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Elf on the Shelf. This video is probably back before Christmas.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, check out some of my other videos in my compilation playlist. And come back tomorrow because we'll watch something else. See you then.